Now we will learn about principal focus. As the lens has got two refracting curved surface. So this is the first curved surface and this is the second curved surface. So a lens has got two principal focus. First principal focus denoted by letter capital F1 and second principal focus denoted by letter capital F2. But very most important thing is that the lens which we will consider from now onwards will always be a thin lens. We will never talk about thick lens. Okay. So in our every example, the lens which we will consider will always be a thin lens. And for thin lens, optical center is defined as that point where a ray of light passing through it will travel undeviated. This we have already studied, right? And if we talk about the other ray, what about the rays not passing through optical center? Then definitely they will get refracted. So in that case, the refraction of the ray will be taken from a line which is passing through optical center and perpendicular to principal axis. I am talking about this line. This line is called as optic axis. This is extra term I am telling you. This line is called as optic axis. What I mean to tell you that if I consider this ray gets bent over here and it gets bent over here. So there are two bending. So instead of showing two bending, we will show only one bending for thin lenses, and that bending will be taken from where? It will be taken from the optic axis. That means now if I have to show the bending, the ray will travel till the optic axis and now it will bend away like this. So remember, this is very important point. Now let's start with the topic of first principal focus. So for convex lens, we can see there is a point on the principal axis where the rays coming from it after refraction traveling parallel to principal axis. Okay, and for concave lens, there is also a point on the principal axis where the rays which are appear to meet at, but after refraction are traveling parallel to principal axis. Such a point will be called as first principal focus, F1. F1. So remember, for convex lens, first principal focus is that point on the principal axis such that the rays coming from it after refraction will travel parallel to principal axis. So it is a point on the principal axis F1 such that the rays coming from it after refraction through convex lens traveling parallel to principal axis. And for concave lens, it is that point on the principal axis where the rays, if the lens was not present, these rays would have met at F1. But due to the presence of this concave lens, these rays are traveling parallel to principal axis. So that definitely this point will be defined as first principal focus, F1. So for concave lens, first principal focus is that point on the principal axis where the rays appear to meet, after refraction will travel parallel to principal axis. So for convex lens, this is a real point because a ray of light can actually pass through this point, but this is a virtual point because a ray cannot actually pass through this point. It is appear to be passing through F1. You must be aware about principle of reversibility of light, that if path of a ray of light is reversed, it retraces the path. That means in this case, this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray. Now what if I place a mirror normal to the direction of this rays? So then definitely this rays will get reflected for the normal incidence. Now for the second case, this becomes incident ray, then definitely this ray becomes refracted ray. What I mean to tell you that this is the incident ray and these are the refracted ray. So if I make refracted rays as the incident ray, so the incident ray becomes refracted ray. That means here, if the rays are traveling parallel to principal axis, then definitely after refraction they will pass through a point on the principal axis. Such a point is called as second principal focus. So for convex lens, second principal focus is that point on the principal axis such that the rays traveling parallel to principal axis. Remember, the rays are traveling parallel to principal axis after refraction passes through that point. And here also, if these are the incident ray and these are the refracted rays, if I make this as the incident rays, then definitely this will become refracted ray. You can see the opposite case. So if the rays are traveling parallel to principal axis, if refracted from concave lens, they appear to be passing from a common point. You can see these are the refracted rays which are appear to be coming from this point which lies on the principal axis. Such a point is called as second principal focus, f2. So for convex lens, second principal focus is that point on the principal axis such that the rays traveling parallel to principal axis after refraction through lens passes through this point, and this is a real focus, remember, because ray actually meet over here. And for concave lens, second principal focus is that point where the rays traveling parallel to principal axis after refraction through lens appear to be diverging. Remember, appear to be diverging from this point, and remember this is a virtual focus. So for convex lens, f1 and f2 is a real point, and for concave lens, f1 and f2 is the virtual point.